Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Asana for AI timeline and status automation step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the project that you want to automate. Click on the project name to access the project details. In the project view, locate the Customize button, usually found on the top right corner. Click on Customize to reveal additional project options. Scroll down until you find the Apps section within the Customization menu. Click on the Apps option to view integration possibilities. Search for AI timeline and status automation tools in the available apps list. Select the specific automation tool you want to integrate with Asana. Click on the Add button to initiate the authorization process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the app to access your Asana account. You may need to log in again or provide additional permissions for the integration. Once authorized, return to your project to configure the automation settings. Look for the newly added automation tool in the project sidebar or within the integration settings. Configure the timeline and status automation parameters according to your project requirements. Save your settings after making adjustments. You should now observe that your Asana project is set up for AI-driven timeline and status updates. Test the integration by creating a task and checking if the automation kicks in as expected. Monitor the automation regularly to ensure it functions smoothly. Make adjustments to the automation settings as needed based on your project's evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.